me a little while to fall asleep. Surprisingly, for how tired I was.
I fell asleep pretty immediately. Less than 10 minutes. It's so nice.
Ooh, we can get a calabasa.
A what?
A calabasa. To drink out of.
Oh, is that what we discussed last night? What a great mind for vocabulary, Devin. What is stamp?
I think I just already knew that word a little bit. Stamp is, I keep wanting to say sia.
Sayo.
Sayo.
You go to the part of the park where there's like lots of symmetrical paths. Yeah.
Statues and fountains.
Yeah. It's beautiful. They did the K-pop Demon Hunters performance for the Thanksgiving parade. Let's see. Oh, a fantastic head muff. Purple like green. Okay, we've got a little bit more time than that. We got on the wrong train. We did a little bit of running around the trains. Just exercise. We're so close and so far at the same time. Luscious and oh, there's our reflection. Tree. Ooh, train. A little video of us. Ooh. We just got our passports, our not passports, our pilgrim credentials.
It's our first.
Sayo.
Sayo.
This is Devon's first sign of the pilgrimage. There are signs everywhere. They have so many Christmas decorations here. Vigo, donde viva la Navidad. That makes, if that is their brand, yeah, you gotta
Lean hard into the
oh my god, that dog cop. What is it? Pup pop? Of me having my first bite. The bread is good too.
Look at all these depictions of pigs. They have this guy and a picture of happy pigs.
This is a Christmas boat. You have to register your credentials before you can start using it or before you receive your Compostela, which is the certificate. Okay, things that have happened in the past 2 hours. I siesta'd really hard, and I also dropped.
Micro siesta.
I dropped my phone in the toilet. Just checked. Mercury is still in retrograde. So I chalked dropping my phone into the toilet almost missing my flight, getting on the wrong train, lots of stumbles, stubbing my toe many times. Yeah, in the laundry room. I also stubbed my toe when I was using the bathroom at the hammam. Do you remember?
No.
Okay, that one hurt a lot. What else? The bathroom situation at the airport. Oh my god.
I forgot about that.
I did not. It haunts me. So tomorrow's the last day of misfortune. And then it's sunny skies from there. Minus the rain. Yes. Metaphorically sunny skies.
I don't think I've ever had a churro like that.
With a hot chocolate, like the warm chocolate like this.
No, it just tastes like different.
I think we got more rigged than the ones you get in the US.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be more like chewy, like pretzel-like.
That siesta really did something for me. It's cute. Oh my god, they're so lit up. Yo, it is so big. All the other local towns are jealous because this town has Christmas.
No.
You have to like really stick your head through so that the light is visible.
I'm afraid I might get stuck in here.
Okay. Sick. Guys, they love Christmas in Vigo. It is supposed to, it is the place where Christmas lives.
That's what I hear.
Donde vive la Navidad.
¿Para tomar aquí o para llevar? Para llevar.